Teruna Classic is about to delete 1 zeros based on the current statistics, based on the current price change, based on the current market cap, based on the current trading volume, based on the current project. This coin is about to delete a zero. Now, this coin have actually added. So this added zero will be deleted between now down to the end of next year. Though it depends on the king himself, it depends on the king, the BTC, the Bitcoin rising, and BTC have really shown a signal that before the end of this year something is going to happen. Okay, and that is what we want to see, because this coin controls other coins. Now I'm happy for the fact that Teruna Classic is really doing well. They are fast in terms of recovery. So I believe if they keep on, if we keep showing support. Now, one thing I think they should also do right now is Teruna Classic can focus on this, is to increase their social media engagement, okay? And also they can copy Floki Inu. Remember what Floki Inu did that pushed them? I think they've once pushed them to the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. This memo coin was the third biggest memo coin in the world before Pepe coin came out, and Pepe coin is really doing well right now. It's a memo coin. It's now ranked 66 as of yesterday. Crypto coins with the highest market cap of over $600 million, hitting over 5,400%. Now, for me, I think yes, Teruna Classic can copy Floki Inu. What did they do? I think Floki Inu back then in London, especially in London and globally, they were doing a lot of advert on the street, on train stations, on different malls. You see Floki Inu logo, you see Floki Inu banner on buses, on the streets, people wearing the clothes, doing some rally for Floki Inu, and people who don't even know about Floki Inu was like, okay, which coin is Floki Inu? Next thing they do is directly they go to research, they go to look for this coin, and of course, you have a lot of zeros. They decide to start buying and start investing on Floki Inu. That helped Floki Inu market cap to always increase, and then their community started increasing, their trading volume started increasing because of the awareness. Oh yes, you cannot produce something and you keep it inside your house and you believe to sell it off. No, you must definitely take your product out there for people to see. That is when you'll be able to sell. This is what Floki Inu did. They were able to reach out to so many people, okay, and that is why that single system paid off, because right now they are one of the top crypto coins, and this is what I'm expecting Teruna Classic LUNC to do, to copy. They should do almost the same thing. If they can achieve this, I'm telling you, Teruna Classic cap will be hitting over $5 billion market cap, and it will definitely push the price. Don't be surprised to see this coin at the top, but let's just watch and see what will definitely happen within the next few years. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.